What's up, everybody? It's me, Melody, the CEO and founder of Heals and Health, and I'm coming to you today with a video on how to use our Berbere Spice. So today what we have is already some pre-seasoned steak here. I like to let my meat marinate overnight so that all the juices and everything can seep in so that it gives the meat more flavor. We also have some green bell peppers, some red bell peppers, some tomatoes, and some chopped up red onions. So to get started, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys how to blend your spice so that you can prepare it, because it has to cook a little bit separate before you put it on your meat. So here's the spice here. We're going to add the spice. I also have some oil and some white vinegar. And we're just gonna puree this. So now what we're going to do is take a little bit of olive oil and add it to the pan, because when you're cooking with beef, it creates its own oil. So you just wanna use just a tiny bit, and you're gonna add your beef to the pan. Listen to that sear sound. Aren't you guys hungry already? And once you add your beef to the pan, what you're gonna do is start adding in your other stuff. So like your bell peppers, your onions. I try not to do them first. You can do them first if you want to. I try not to do them first because I like everything to be nice and crispy. And I'm also gonna add my tomatoes. And I'm just gonna mix all this up. And as you're mixing it, you also wanna remember to get your tomato sauce ready. So the tomato sauce that you buy in the can, or if you're one of those people that wanna blend your own and make your own tomato sauce because you have concerns of sodium or anything, you can do that as well. I like Hunt's tomato paste. That's what I use, or tomato sauce. And once I get like the meat searing in the pan and I have like a nice little brownish coat to the outside of the meat, that's when I like to add it. So we're gonna keep cooking this down. Okay guys, so remember, as I said, we're gonna be adding this Hunt's tomato sauce in to your beef. So I like to use the whole can of the tomato sauce. I don't know about you guys, but I want to get every little drop that's in that can. So what I do is I add some water to the can, and when I add the water to the can, it comes out like this. It gets the last little bit that's left in it, and then I just pour it in here also. And then what you're gonna do is cover this with a top, and you're gonna let it cook down before you start adding your spice, which is the last thing that you would do for this dish. Okay guys, so as you can see, you got your tomato sauce in there. It has cooked down. Now it's time for us to add our spice before it cooks completely. So you want to take it out of your food processor like we did earlier today, and we're going to just add this Berbere spice to our dish. Make sure you get everything out of there. Add it gracefully to your beef. You're just going to stir it in here really good so that each piece of the meat gets all the flavor. And you're gonna let it cook down. So it's all done. And so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna plate it nice for our guests and have them, you know, enjoy some great beef with you. You can eat this with plantain. You can eat this with any rice of your choice. You can eat this with whatever you like to eat beef with. You know, just try it out, and I guarantee you that your guests are going to be so happy. Just like this. Just look at how nice the green peppers came out. The onions are nice in there. And we got all of this And you got this nice sauce to go with it. And the beef is nice and tender because remember, you were marinating your beef overnight, right? You got your favorite seasonings in this, and of course, my spice, my Berbere spice in it, so you can't go wrong.